what up? This is the unboxing of the Rexel premium stapler. 2cm staples. Number 56, don't know what that means. 26/6, don't know what that means. Number 16, 24/4. 22/6, don't know what that means. So it's 5 years guaranteed. It's very good. It's a very nice one. Okay. Anyway, so it's the unboxing. Check it out. Wow, look at that. Show some descriptions. So what you can do is you can use it as a stapler. You can rotate the staple thing so that you can staple it however you want. You can staple the wall. I don't know if you can see that. You can refill it, but please do not staple your finger, it says. Alright, some of the features include robust metal construction, temporary pinning. That's amazing. Auto top load, tacking, keep fingers clear, it says. I don't think that's a feature, but can do. I'm just going to show you what a staple is. It's one of the blue ones I have, but it's broken. The bits just fly everywhere, as you can see. I can't even find the spring anymore. Oh, there it is. It's springing around. Alright, so that's broken, so I'll give myself another one. Okay, let's open it up and see some. Wow, it's nice and sturdy. Has a good metal feel here, metallic. Top here is made of plastic. Yep, definitely has a good stapling feel to it. Can I open it? Yes, I can. Look at that spring. Look at it. Premium spring. You can play it like a guitar. Let's see. Alright, so just look at it. There's where the staples go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just the way I like it. And if you just turn over to the bottom, there it goes. Okay, so storage for staple. Storage for staple. I don't know if you can see it there. Storage for staple. I'll write your name here. You can even store staples there. That's one good staple. So there it is. That's the box. Alright, so what else? With this, I actually bought staples as well. 5,000. Very nice. All together, cost me $15. It lasts me 3 years, it says. Okay, there's no need to open up the staples because we can all know what staples look like. For those who don't, yeah. You get away. I'ma stop 'cause I ran all out of things to say.